Hello friends, welcome to Unreal Blueprints video tutorials series. From the past few video tutorials, we are trying to understand how to make coin collector game in Unreal step by step. In the previous videos, we understood how do we create a game menu level, how do we create game over level, how do we create game level 1, game level 2. You can see if I click on the play button, it takes us to game level 1. We understood how do we create coins, how do we create obstacles, how do we create moving platform, how do we create a key, how do we create a portal to another level. Here we have a portal to another level. You can see that we have written a condition to access this portal. Player must and should collect minimum 3 coins and he should have a key. So you can see that I am collecting 3 coins, 1, 2 and 3. I collected the 3 coins and I jump on this platform. I go here and open the door by pressing O key. You can see door is open. Here we have the key. I'm going to get the key and come outside. You can see that. And then I go down. If I stand on this portal, okay, if I stand on this portal, what happens, guys? We know that it takes us to game level 2. So you see here, now we are in game level 2. You can see that we are in game level 2. We have written a code. Here we have game level 1, right? If I play, you can see we are in game level 1. Here we have the portal, right? So this portal access we have written in third person blueprint. So I open BP underscore third person character. In BP underscore third person character, you can see here we have written a code. If player overlaps with BP underscore portal, if score is greater than or equal to 3 and if he has a key, if both conditions are true, then it takes us to game level 2. But what we want actually, let's say we have game level 3, game level 4, game level 5, right? We may have many game levels. If player is in game level 1, okay, if he overlaps with the portal, it should take to game level 2. That is okay. But if player is playing in game level 2, if he access the portal, it should take to game level 3, right? If player is playing in game level 3, if player access the portal, it should take to game level 4, right? So definitely we have to re-implement this part, right? We have to re-implement this part. You can see here, I go to game level 1, okay? I go to levels here, okay? Next what I do, I am going to copy these things from here. We have already coins placed there. So what I do, I am going to select this platform and then I select the cube, that is this cube. And then I am going to select these walls. Here we have the walls, wall door, you can see that. And then I am going to select BP underscore key as well as BP underscore door. Okay, so all these things I am copying. Even I am going to copy this portal and I am going to copy the protector, BP underscore protector we have, right? So you can see that I selected all these things which I want to copy and use it in another level. So I'm going to copy this. I go to game level 2. I go to game level 2 and here I say Control V. If I say Control V, you can see that all the elements are placed. You can see that all the elements are placed. So we can copy paste the design, guys. If you don't know, this is an awesome thing, right? You can definitely design the level as per your wish, guys. Just for the explanation, quick explanation, I am putting the elements and explaining. Hope you guys are understanding and trying this game by yourself. Okay, I suggest you to try this game by yourself, guys. Okay, that's good. Now we have placed the actors in game level 2. Now I can create game level 3 also. So all I need is I need to copy a few things from here. Like I need to copy these coins. Okay, I copy the coins which I have here. I copied the coins. I copy the obstacle also. We don't want floor and player start also we can copy because we'll not be having the player start in game level 3. So I'm going to copy this. Okay. Now what I do, I'm going to create one new level. So I say file, new level, basic, create. And I say save selected, file, save current level as. I call this game level 3. I hit enter and then I go here and press Control V. You can see that we are able to put all the actors. That's awesome, right? Just to make game level 3 look little different, what I do here, I am going to place the coins in different place. Okay, let me press the F key to focus on this and then I am going to take these coins randomly, place here and there so that it looks different, guys. Okay, it looks different from the game level 2. Okay, and let me put the obstacle somewhere far away from here. Okay, and yeah, I think everything is fine. Let's put this little back. Okay, so I'm going to save this. This is game level 3, and here we have game level 2. So in the game level 2, let's see any changes I need to make. I am going to take this and put it on right side. Okay, somewhere here. Okay, so now we are able to differentiate. See, if I go to game level 1, so in the game level 1, if you see the design, we have the coins in a row here. You can see that. If I come to game level 2, the coins are placed in a 2 rows. You can see that, right? Let's say one more duplicate I can make over here like that. And in game level 3, you see that we have coins placed randomly. So you can easily differentiate which one is game level 1, game level 2 and game level 3 now, right? Now, of course, we need to go from game level 1 to game level 2, game level 2 to game level 3 when we access this portal. And we have written that code in this place, right? But we need to know at present in which level we are playing, right? In which level the player is playing. And you can see that if I go to game level 1, in the game level 1, open the level blueprint. You can see that we are already storing the current level information in the BP underscore my game instance. See, we created this blueprint called BP underscore my game instance. In that we have a variable called current level of type string, right? Of type string. And we know that game instance persists between levels. And you can see here in a event begin play of game level 1, we are storing the current level. That is, we are getting the current level name and storing it in current level variable. The same thing we are doing in the level 2 also. So if I go to levels and open game level 2 and open its level blueprint, open the level blueprint, and you can see that here also we are storing the current level name, current level name. And the same thing I do in game level 3 also. So what I can do is I'm going to copy all this information. Just Control C to copy. I copy this and I go to game level 3, guys. Okay, save selected. Open its level blueprint. And here I'm going to paste. You can see that I pasted everything. That's nice, right? I'm going to connect this pin over here. The only thing I need to do here is I need to create this BP underscore hood variable, which is not available. You see that. So I'm going to delete this. I'm going to delete this pin, and here I'm going to say promote to variable. I call this WBP hood. WBP hood. I hit enter, and then I'm going to get this WBP hood, connect this to target and connect. That's it. So what I'm telling, I want to create the hood instance, and that hood instance should be displayed in the viewport, right? In the hood we have score and health, and we are setting input mode game only. And also we are getting the game instance and storing the current level name. That is awesome, right? Compile and save and close this. Let's go to our third person character, and here what we do is first we get the game instance. So we say here get game instance, get game instance, and then we say BP underscore cast to BP my game instance. Inside that we have the variable current level, right? Now I say here get the current level. So I say here get the current level. Okay, we are getting the current level, and then I say here switch on string, switch on string, switch on string, and I give this current level here. Next what I do here, I am going to remove this default pin. I add 2 pins here because we have game level 1, game level 2. Okay, game, if I add game level 4, then I will add here game level 3 also. Okay, case I change here to game, GAME, game level 1, and here I say game LEVEL, game level 2, right? If player is playing in game level 1, right, it should go to game level 2. If player is playing in game level 2, then it should open the level that is game level 3. So here I say game level 3. Okay, if player is playing in game level 3, it should take to game level 4. We don't have game level 4 and all, so you people can create as many levels as you want if you understood this logic. It's very simple, guys, right? Compile and save. Now you can see that if player overlaps with BP_portal in any level, okay, he must and should have minimum 3 coins collected. He should have the key, and then if both conditions are true, it will check whether player is playing in level 1 or level 2. If player is playing in level 1, it takes to game level 2. If player is playing in game level 2, it takes to game level 3. So automatically the portal works, guys. So that is the modification to the code for our BP_portal. Let's compile and save. Let's check now. If I go to game level 1 and play, let's play this level 1. Okay, let's collect 3 coins. 1, 2, 3, and then I got 4 coins. That's awesome. I'll jump on this platform and go over here, press the O key to open, and then I go get the key. Okay, I got the key. That's good. And then I should be very careful here because we have the protector to protect that portal. Okay, you can see that now we are in game level 2. You can see we have 2 rows of coins in this place. Now let me get this coin. I get one more. I can get more coins, no problem in that. I'll go and jump on this platform. I go here and then press the O key to open, and here inside we have the key. Let me get the key and come outside. Okay, next I go down and let's try to access the portal. I should be very careful here. You can see that it takes us to game level 3 where we have the coins placed at random location, guys. So that is modification to the portal, guys. Okay, you can add as many levels you want now. Okay, that's it, guys, for this video tutorial. I suggest you people to implement this. Okay, I believe that you are creating this game side by side. You are testing with me side by side. Okay, and by the end of this playlist, you definitely able to create the coin collector game, guys. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends so that everyone will get benefited. In the upcoming video tutorials, we discuss how to create coin collector game with Unreal Blueprints. For more benefits and be up to date, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Keep learning, keep designing, keep sharing. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you.